Hey guys, it's Larry, and it is time for another Plan With Me video. This week I'm doing something a little bit different. This is from lovelyplanner.com, and I will leave a link for them below. I know I've used their stickers in the past, but it's been a really long time. So these, I thought, were just stinking cute. I don't think there is a name for this layout, but I will double check, and if there is, I will leave that in the link below as well, or in the description. But I just love these light pastel colors, and I like that it's cozy and warm. I like that there's coffee, and it's kind of wintry. So this is my PDF file that I have uploaded into my Cricut to make my stickers. And these are the stickers that I made. Just a couple this time, not very many. So I did my social media and my large boxes. I did one tracker, a meal plan, a weekend banner, and that's it. So if you want to see how this is going to turn out, then stick around. Let's get started. Okay guys, so we're getting started. I showed you the stickers, I've showed you the washi I've picked out. I am personally planning right now for the week of January 21st, and I'm going to turn on the music, we're going to have some fun, bring out your planners, bring out your drinks, grab a cocktail if you'd like, and let's have some fun. So if you like this layout, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Thank you to all my subs, thank you for being back and staying here with me, I appreciate you so much. So let's play. guys, so I am all done with my before the pen layout, and I want to know, what do you think? Is this gorgeous or what? You did see me struggle a little bit with this washi tape, the foil tape. I've got a wrinkle there that's driving me crazy. But anyhow, what do you think of it? I think it turned out really cute. Of course, this is before the pen and before appointments, so it will fill up, but I like having that space. I think the colors are gorgeous. I love the feel of it. I like having this really elaborate washi at the bottom. That was really fun. So share your comments, share your recommendations and thoughts. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. There will be a link in the description where you can find these free printable planner stickers. If you ever have questions on how I make them, I have links in multiple places for that, but I'll add one of those here too so you can see how I make them on my Cricut. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thanks for playing along. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will try this planner layout. And I will see you in the next video. Remember, please be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye guys. See you soon.